A pleasant day, everyone. I am Rochelle Villanueva, and I am here to present our poster about a checklist of damsel fishes from Macentre from Palawan, the Philippines. This study is a part of project cataloging of brief associated flora and fauna with funding support from the Western Philippines University. For the introduction, damsel fishes belong to family Pomacentridae. They are one of the most diverse and widespread family of marine fishes found throughout the tropical oceans. They are known to perform varied ecological function in reef communities. Although mostly small in size, some damsel fishes are utilized as food and some colorful species are in high demand in the aquarium industry. The global aquarium fish trade consists of over 1,400 species of reef fishes, of which damselfish, anemone fish, and angelfish constitute over 50% of the global volume. In Palawan, there is no study which solely focuses on these species, in spite of their abundance on the reefs and economic value. Considering the limited information on the species richness of damselfishes in Palawan, we provided a list of damselfishes based compiled photos in addition to available literature. In terms of methods, opportunistic photo documentation was carried out in 10 locations during fish visual census and in conjunction with other scuba diving activities such as induced spawning and stacking of giant clams. The day diving was done between 2019 and 2021. The identity of the species, the work of Allen et al. 2003, was used in identifying the species. The experts in Facebook page Marine Creature Identification provided some assistance in identifying some species. The updated taxonomic classification was based from World Register Marine Species and Fish Base. An offline database serves as current repository of the photographs. In terms of results, among the 10 sites, Purgo Island had the highest number of species, followed by Binduyan and Rasa Island, while the lowest was recorded in Hartman Beach in Puerto Princesa City. In total, we recorded 60 species of damselfishes as indicated in this collection of photos. Of these 60 species, 3 were recorded for the first time in Palawan. These 3 species include Amblypomacentros clarus, Discistodus darwinensis, and Pomacentros aurifruns. The current number of damselfish species in Palawan, which is 137 species, is relatively higher than in other biographic regions in the country. Silivri Sea has 83, Northern Philippine Sea has 85, West Philippine Sea has 79, Southern Philippine Sea has 64, Sulu Sea has 87, and Visayan region has 72 species, respectively. In addition, the current number for Palawan is higher than 118 species, which has been reported for Philippines a few decades ago. The continued discovery of new species and distribution records. The photo documentation was conducted opportunistically but resulted to 3 new records in Palawan. However, given the single photo for each of the 3 species, the identity of these 3 species, however, needs further verification. The Amblipomacentros claros include the Philippines as its distribution range hence could be also found in Palawan. However, the Schistodus darwinensis is only reported in northern Australia and haven't been recorded outside Australia. Furthermore, the distribution of Pomacentros auriprons does not include the Philippines. Hence, there is need to verify the identities of these species via repeated sightings or capture of actual specimens for morphological or molecular examination. The continued discovery of new damselfish species, as reported in many other studies, manifests that more species remain to be discovered. Continued photo documentation within Palawan is expected to enrich the current list. Thank you very much and a pleasant day, everyone.